Actually, see, are you playing or no? Na, it's not leather. But your messages here confused. See, that is the problem. This is the way in previously also, like because of your this kind of confusing messages, only all the issues are that I was telling against you also. That's the reason that you need to understand that. Also, I know that in the message you have so many things to write, but now still what are the plans everything clearly, so don't worry, I will take care of everything. And this Narayanadas, Mohan and Madhavan, these all devils only doing all the things. And Narayanadas is noisily playing, and he only screwed up this K.C. Venugopal, everybody. They are like controlling the lobby and all everything. That I understood because that yesterday when I took confusion, I called him. Then he said, "Chara patty will sucking the people and selling their flesh and grabbing from years. He got habituated by grabbing billions by now grabbed and that and don't some putting chemicals something which you fellas thought that I finish it. So I'm calling Miss Charapati. That's you fellas' job is that to attend to the calls. That's the thing. Charapatic, run out of any manners or cultural frauds. Everybody's like that only. And mother just oh, so you're not like a superstar running the teaching under straight dialogue straight frauds. These all are coming from straight some random straight family. That's the reason I see some money, some fraud, looting money. So that is ultimate thing on what is it? You are only making my life to go to this kind of culture parties. We are getting excited. And what are the things these dolls are telling about? You need to understand that what are the everybody is telling that. Everybody is like that. These all fellows are playing, and other these fellows actually these activity and BJP team desperately wanted to Matta now used to be should be with Matana. The lobbies, Congress lobby only wanted with Pranidhi Shindar, right? What are the thing? Both Adani Ambani, there's a thing. And that Matana also utilizing the chance very well and sucking anyway. Bushbox Central plan desperately take you to US till that day freeze my brain. Then so if you are once going to September use so till 15th you will be there, and again the like UK that lock it up. So at that time you will completely forget me. So after that they can put up and that astrologer that culture, but this Bihari Bengali, these are the straight dogs, straight burgers. The entire the Kerala got spoiled by these all Bengali culture frauds only came at for any job culture. The same way that Bihar, culture for money, they will to any third class at that temple person also. These fellows are given on the temple got run out, everything nicely celebrating. Culture, take or straight us there, selling wife and daughter, that is their job. Culture, that fellow only, it was telling bad about you to me, and they everything was part of this criminal conspiracy. These devils only were doing. So you don't worry, and you don't need to any how many times I'm telling also you will again get yielded to these double traps, and that is the thing I'm getting angry. I know that this fellows Narana pot in the order in Champutra hippopotamus fraud. But should also that Salman Gurshut all the cowards came and arranged how many things. Actually, see, these all are just to show off, and can make you feel that oh, everything is working out. Tomorrow you'll become the prime minister like that. Just can create a social impact. That's the only thing. Okay, so the hidden place these doubles are playing in the Ramasha is desperately waiting to, and so you don't need to get yielded to anything. And you are only human to human times until you are only ready for the obligation of the slavery. That's what I'm getting angry my all efforts out. Also you will today also you told that you also tried so many things. Yeah, I know that they did this fellows. First you need to understand that I'm not purposefully playing or nothing. I told that these fellows black magic control, geometric control. That is one thing. The secondary thing, all the leaders, that security culture of parties and all, they are started to abuse me and all like that the way. This all devils purposefully they are doing. But don't deal it to anything. And you put any kind of culture of parties and all, never ever and about the worm straight culture about. So what are the approaches meetings? Nirmala Sitharaman, no, Virendra Kumar, everybody arranged everything. What are the setups to these all things? Why they are doing? Just understand that. Trap and spoil you. That's the only thing. Okay. So also, so this I told now how these fellows will disperse the this opposition alliance and all. See through this using Kamala Harris thing only they have given no, the Stalin 1 trillion for business things for Tamil Nadu and that Revant Reddy and all went to US and Korea for billions and then everywhere like that. Then coral not in Bengal and all they have created the problems, right? So that's the way. Then each kacharas are thinking that I don't have any job and all. That's what their dialogues and all kachara parties. So what now I think about you, you feel very bad that your stage at also see for what purpose we started this mission. I should not get distracted. And this culture of party push by and tell you what this also this Amisha the most dangerous thing is the if what will the stage Amisha become the PM of India. That dangerous situation. Okay, after that. These all dolls are got cross from Adani Ambani things. That's the reason these fellas. So don't get related to anything. Okay, right to everything. And you don't there is no point in going to yes, for Kamala Harris is not going to win. We created awareness to everything. Okay? Okay, I'll sleep. I'm feeling so sleepy and I don't know what are the things this bastard has done and everybody together plan and to take you see this is the way how they are just understand how your life these devils are controlling and Priyanka ji don't get over excited that there is now these fellows that I told against they will immediately arrange that so they want one Gandhi family member to market and grab and to run the business with the BJP. That's the only thing. And so next they will point to you that certain Kerala lobby also will be excited that okay, and then but don't get excited. These devils will devastate everything. Okay, just understand that. Huh? So that also be as a support to your brother. And don't act against Shiv Shakti. It is not going to help you. And actually, see, there are many ways I try to do many things, and these are very ways these fellows are blocking. So, be careful. Okay, bye.